Hi, this is Scoggett, and this is third part to my hickory smoked pork shoulder my way video. And I'm going to go ahead and take the lid off the pit barrel, see how it's coming along. It's looking pretty good here. Going to go ahead and take a temp. See what temp we got. Let's see. Still climbing. It's like at 162 over here. I'm going to take it in several different places. That's where that bone's at. It's 179 going up. That's at 191, 93, 193. See this. $189, 190, $193. I don't know if I want to go ahead and wrap this or just leave it out there. What I think I'm going to do is I'm not going to wrap it. What I'm going to do is just leave it on the pit barrel the way it is, because the temp's getting way high. I mean, it's really getting up there. And I'm just going to spritz it with some cherry cola. And that's what's in this bottle, is some cherry cola. I've been kind of spritzing it with the cherry cola. And I think I'm going to continue to do that. It's only been 3 hours into this cook. Just 3 hours. So I think I'm going to just go ahead and leave it there and not wrap it. And keep on spritzing it like every 30 minutes or so. Because the temp is way up there. I don't see any reason to wrap it. This is Scoggett. The temp's way up there and everything. It's not like at 160. It's on up to 190. So it's almost ready to pull. So just going to go ahead and like I say, it's only 3 hours into this cook. So I'm going to go ahead and let it cook. And I'm not going to wrap it. And hopefully it'll come out fine. I'm just going to keep spritzing it like every 30 minutes with the cherry cola. And we'll go from there, see how it comes out. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. And I have the fourth and final video coming up whenever it's ready to pull.